नमस्कार दोस्तों हाई कोर्ट्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स और अन्य जुडिशियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के एग्ज़ाम्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन की एक सीरीज आपको दी जा रही है। इसमें डिक्टेशन की स्पीड 80 शब्द प्रति मिनट की होगी। दोस्तों, इसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट शब्द के आउटलाइंस भी आपको प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं, जिससे आप अपनी शॉर्ट हैंड को और अच्छा बना सकें। Be ready. Start. The controversy in the above appeals pertains to the reservations to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in promotions in the posts of assistant engineer within bracket civil in public works department, government of Uttarakhand. Stop para. The Uttar Pradesh Public Service bracket start reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes bracket close Act, 1994 bracket start for short in order, start the 1994 Act in order, close bracket close provided for reservation in public services and posts in favor of persons belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes of citizens. Stop. Section 3, subsection 1 of the said Act stipulated reservation at the stage of direct recruitment. Stop. According to Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act, the government orders providing reservation for appointment to public posts filled up by promotion which were existing on the date of commencement of the 1994 Act shall continue till they are modified or revoked. Stop. After the formation of state of Uttarakhand in 2001, the Uttar Pradesh Public Services bracket start scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward class caste reservation bracket close Act, 1994 was made applicable to the state of Uttaranchal by a notification dated 30/8/2001 with a modification in the percentage of reservations. Stop. 21% reservation for scheduled castes was modified to 19% and 2% for scheduled tribes was increased to 4%. Stop. Likewise, 21% reservation provided in the 1994 Act for other backward classes was altered to 14%. Stop. Para. A division bench of High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in Mukund Kumar Srivastava versus State of UP upheld the validity of Rule 8-A of the Uttar Pradesh Servants Government Seniority Rules, 1991, which dealt with constitutional seniority of persons belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Stop. Later, in Prem Kumar Singh versus State of UP, another division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, Lucknow bench held that the judgment in Mukund Kumar Srivastava within bracket Supra is per incurium and not a binding precedent. Stop. In Prem Kumar Singh's case within bracket Supra, the High Court declared Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act and Rule 8A of the seniority rules unconstitutional. Stop. While declaring the correctness of the judgments of High Court, this court by its judgment in Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation versus Rajesh Kumar held that section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act is unconstitutional insofar as it is contrary to the dictum. Stop. Mr. Gyanchand, who was working as Assistant Commissioner within bracket civil, state tax and belonging to scheduled caste community, filed a writ petition for quashing the proceeding dated 5/9/2012. Stop. The challenge to section 3 within bracket 7 of the Act, it extended to the state of Uttarakhand, was upheld by the High Court of Uttarakhand. Stop. Relying upon the judgment of this court in UP Power Corporation within bracket Supra, the High Court of Uttarakhand declared section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act unconstitutional and directed that no promotion can be given by the state by taking recourse to section 3 within bracket 7 of the Act. Stop. By way of implementation of the judgment of the High Court, a committee was constituted by the government of Uttarakhand for collection of quantifiable data relating to the backwardness. Stop.